Hi everybody, it's me, Jara B, and I want to welcome everybody to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I highly appreciate it. Let me tell you guys real quick a little bit about what my channel is about. I like to share things with you guys regarding handbags, reviews, unboxing, what's in my bag, bath and body products, monthly favorites. What else can I name right now? Just a plethora of this lifestyle that we're living now. So if that is something that you guys are interested in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share my channel with other people that you think would also enjoy that type of content. Appreciate it. So let's get into what's in my backpack. This carry for the week is a Juicy Couture mini rose backpack. Isn't she beautiful? How fun does she look, you guys? For the summer, for this time of year. Oh, I just love the way she looks. I even got a compliment off of her yesterday. I wore her for the first time yesterday, and that was the first time in a long time I got a compliment off of any of my bags that I carry. So it felt good. I like that. And I got this backpack from TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx or Marshalls. So this is what she looks like. Let me give you a 360. Here's the front. She has a zippered pocket here in the front. Here's the side. She has a pocket. Here's the back of it. Here's the other side, which is where I keep my cell phone. Here's the bottom. And then here's the top. And then I decided to go ahead and adorn her with this Victoria's Secret keychain purse charm here. I thought that it was pretty. So yeah, if you guys want to see what's inside of this mini Juicy Couture backpack, then keep watching. Alrighty, so let me try to give you a view, a shot of how I have her packed. Looks like that. Okay. So, like I had showed you, the outside, I keep my phone here. And then on this outside pocket here, that is where I keep my AirPods, my clipper, which is just my purse hanger. I have two of these. I have a black one and I have a gold one. If they make these in silver, I think I'm gonna try to get me a silver one. Okay, oops. And then the inside, look at that beautiful black font with the Gothic font with Juicy Couture. And so there's two inside pockets here. And let's see, what do I have? I meant to change out some things, you guys, but I forgot. My lipstick that I carry with me by Morphe in the color Peanut, which is like a neutral for me. I love it. My lotion. My perfume atomizer, which I will be switching out of today to a different perfume. This was Dolce & Gabbana light blue or something like that. The only one, something. I always forget the name of this perfume. My EOS lip balm in strawberry. And then in the other pocket, I have my tissue. No, you guys, there's just one long pocket in here. That's where I had all of this stuff at, in this one long pocket. It's very hard to show you the inside of a backpack. That's the downside of doing a what's in my backpack. It's hard to see inside of it. And so my keys, have my pepper spray and my Victoria's Secret key loop, wristlet, whatever you want to call it. And then I have my candy pouch, which needs to be bigger. You guys, I bought me some special candy this week. I got some, I want to show y'all some Twix, some individually wrapped Mentos, and then I have some Lifesavers down in here, some mints are in here, and then because this candy pouch is kind of small, I just took out a few pieces of my gum and stuck it down in there. So that's what I have in my candy pouch this week. So I needed chocolate this week, y'all. Yeah, so there's that. So I'm looking for something a little bit bigger for my candy pouch. So I might change this within the next day or two. And then I have my eyeglass case where I keep my glasses. They are prescription. And then here is my catch-all pouch. And in here I just have all of my, because this backpack is a little smaller, I had to downsize a few things. Like I don't have a big package of wet ones in here. So I went with the smaller individual wet ones are in here. And then my regular normal stuff that I always keep. My earphones, bandages, dental floss, can't leave home without it, the Tide mini stick. So that's what's in my catch-all. And then I have my coin purse, is the little rubber or silicone heart. I just keep change in there. And then here is the wallet. I think that's an okay match. It's the best that I can do when I was out shopping for this backpack. And then I saw this and show you what it looks like on the inside. Looks like that. Juicy Couture. We have some card slots here, 2 card slots here, and 2 card slots over here on this side, but the card slots are big. So you can probably get up to maybe 4 cards in one slot right here because it's kind of wide and a lot of space. So I kind of like that. And then we have a spot here that you can put things. And then my favorite, a full-length bill compartment where you can put your bills down in here, receipts, whatever you want. So there's no pocket on the outside of this wallet. The only thing about this wallet that bothers me is that this corner right here, when I go to zip it up, it kind of gets stuck right here in this corner, but this corner is just fine. But I'm still going to keep it, I'm still use it. I'm just going to learn how to deal with it. So that's my wallet. And then I decided to get me a little cute little ink pen. Ain't it cute? Got this from Dollar General. No, Family Dollar. Which one? One of the dollar stores, y'all. I'll be getting them mixed up. The one with the green letters. Family Dollar, Dollar General, Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Got it from Dollar Tree. So that's kind of different for me. And then I have in the back zippered pocket right here, I have my mask holder. And then I have, what else? A pink ink pen. And then I try to keep these cards that come with the handbag. So this is the name of the handbag. It is a Juicy Couture white multi-rose rosy mini backpack. I got it from either TJ Maxx or Burlington. So I didn't pay $99. Y'all know that. Ain't nobody paying that for that. I paid like $25 for it or something like that. So yeah, that's this bag right here. The Juicy Couture Rosy Mini Backpack. And then let me show y'all what I put into my bag for the first time. To make my bag smell good, I saw this Mentos air freshener in the scent bubblegum. I love the smell of bubblegum, y'all. I wish I could, if I could wear a perfume fragrance or body mist or something like that that smelled like bubblegum, I would probably buy it and try it. This bubblegum smell reminds me of Mr. Bubble, bubble bath from back in the day when I was a little kid. Back when I was a kid, they had it in the liquid form and a box that had powder. It was a powdered Mr. Bubble bubble bath. I love the way that stuff smells. To me, this kind of smells like that from what my memory serves. So yeah, and so what I did was I just put that in the bottom of my bag, and so every time I open up my bag, it smells like bubblegum. All right, so that is all that is inside of this Juicy Couture mini backpack. Okay, so here's an overview of everything that I had in this beautiful, fun mini backpack by Juicy Couture. Take a look at everything. I think that is so pretty, you guys. What do you think? Let me know down there in the comments section. Okay, everybody. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video of my backpack, my purse of the week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed to my channel. And until next time, you guys, stay safe and stay strong. Mwah!